Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Optima 2011 to 2015? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Kia Optima features protection for major engine and power-related systems. It manages circuits for the engine control module, ABS, ignition, cooling fans, fuel pump, headlights, and other critical components, ensuring dependable performance and electrical safety. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 and 2015 Kia Optima features protection for vital engine and electrical systems. It controls circuits for the engine control unit, ignition, ABS, cooling fans, fuel pump, headlights, and other essential components, ensuring safe and efficient vehicle operation. The engine compartment fuse box for the 2014 and 2015 Kia Optima, equipped with the Theta 2.0 TGDI engine, features protection for critical power and engine systems. It manages circuits for the engine control module, ignition, ABS, turbo-related components, cooling fans, fuel pump, and headlights. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Kia Optima features protection for key interior electrical systems. It controls circuits for the power windows, audio system, interior and exterior lighting, central locking, and wipers, ensuring safe and efficient operation of in-cabin functions. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2014 and 2015 Kia Optima features protection for important interior electrical systems. It manages circuits for the power windows, audio and navigation system, interior lighting, central locking, and wipers, ensuring reliable operation and passenger comfort. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse, A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.